In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads with AI in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger marketing team aiming to stretch your advertising efforts further, understanding how to leverage AI in creating effective Facebook ads is a crucial skill in today's digital landscape. So let's dive in and start optimizing your advertising campaigns with some help from artificial intelligence. The first step in this process is to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is where all your marketing efforts on Facebook will be centralized, allowing you to manage your ads, pages, and the people who work on them, all in one place. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Facebook credentials. This might seem straightforward, but remember, ensuring that you're logging in with the account that has access to your business page and ad accounts is key. After logging in, you'll be presented with several options depending on your account setup. Choose the account through which you wish to manage ads. This could be your personal account if you're a sole proprietor, or a specific business account if you're managing several clients or brands. Once you're in, head to the lower left panel and find the ads section. This will take you closer to the heart of Facebook's advertising machine. Inside, look for the Ads Manager. This is your control room for all things ads related. It's where the magic starts and where you'll spend most of your time creating and tweaking your ad campaigns. In Ads Manager, you'll see an option to go to campaigns. This is where you can view all your current campaigns, but since we're creating a new one with the help of AI, we're more interested in a different button ads. This section is all about creating the individual ads that will populate your campaigns. Look for the Create button here. Clicking this button starts the process of creating a new ad from scratch. You'll be prompted to choose a campaign objective soon after. For our purposes, we'll select engagement as it's a versatile objective that works well for a variety of ad goals, whether you're looking to build your brand presence or drive interactions. Upon selecting engagement, a Continue button will appear. Clicking Continue will lead you to a part that embodies the crux of today's tutorial leveraging AI for your ad. This is done by selecting the Recommended settings. These settings are not just suggestions, they are a sophisticated guess by Facebook's AI based on millions of data points. It's designed to optimize your ad's performance by automatically adjusting its parameters in real time. After you've enabled the recommended settings, it's time to hit Continue. Here's where things get even more interesting. You'll see an option labeled Advantage Campaign Budget. This is a newer feature that allows Facebook's AI even more leeway in optimizing your campaign's budget across different ads to ensure the best outcome for your spending. Turning this feature on is akin to setting your ad campaign on autopilot with an expert at the wheel. It's particularly useful if you're running multiple ads and want to ensure your budget is being allocated in the most efficient way possible. Following this, hit Next to proceed to the final steps of setting up your ad. At this stage, you'll encounter the option to enable automated chat. This feature uses AI to manage simple customer inquiries directly from your ad. It's a fantastic tool for keeping potential customers engaged without requiring you to monitor messages 24/7. Finally, when you're satisfied with all your settings and ready to launch your ad into the world, click on Publish. This action sets everything into motion, and with the click of that button, your ad, optimized with the power of AI, begins its journey into the feeds of potential customers. Remember, the world of Facebook ads is dynamic, and while AI can take a lot of the guesswork out of creating effective campaigns, it's always beneficial to keep an eye on your campaigns. Experimenting with different settings, especially as you get more comfortable using AI features, can lead to even better results over time. That wraps up our quick guide on harnessing AI to create Facebook ads. By following these steps, not only will you save time, but you'll also be leveraging some of the most advanced tools available to make sure your ads reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Happy advertising!